Grayson. Grayson, Rain. Grayson is getting suited up. Break something, pulling it off of the trailer. This dolly has been fantastic, but 2 for 2 for this bumper. Look at that dirt.
Welcome back to Southern Raceway. We're here on a Friday night. It's the night before Outlaw Speedway's big 1,000 or 2,000 win Hot Shot 1,000 win Stinger race. But we got rained out last time we were here, so we figured we'd come and at least redeem our things. So of course we bring the dolly.
The dolly.
And bring the Falcon, and of course we rip the bumper off again. So we've got some wood screw or some sheet metal screws and some electrical wire, so that'll be good. We got Denny Roy Kelly still on this, Fat Man, Hyper Fleming family, the Eaton Clinic,
the Hyperbaric Medicine, Caribbean.
Hatcher Farm. Thank you to everybody, but we got here a little late, and tonight we're just trying to have fun and trying not to mess anything up. So we got the sprint cars here tonight. If you turn, they're going out on the track now. So we're gonna get suited up and see what we can do. We're about to go out for hot laps.
The Double Zero's back again.
Back again.
Mama got the hair thingy.
Yes, thank you to Uncle Kevin and Grayson. Say hi.
Hi, Daddy.
Got done.
It's getting
with
dark.
Hot laps.
Look at this cloud.
Look.
Honestly, it's I like the track. You know, I like coming over here, but I see why they called it King of the Sandbox last year. But it's very sandy and dusty, and I'm sliding everywhere. I wasn't trying nothing serious, but the track's already pretty rough.
Dirt feels good.
The track was rougher just going out, not as slick, so had a lot of bumps and craters, so we'll see what happens. We've stated it before, a big race tomorrow. We just came over here to have fun. We're just trying to have, make sure the car is ready for tomorrow, so we're not wanting to get into any kind of accident. All right, there's the lineups. I'm thinking we're in the second heat outside, so that's good. Modifieds are about to go, and it is starting to rain. So just like last time, here we go. Y'all can't tell on the phone, I don't think it's much, but it is super dark and cloudy all of a sudden. Tanya, you loading up to leave, ain't you? All right, let's get to it.
Hey y'all. Oh, doesn't it look like a lake down here? Oh my gosh.
So,
Jeez.
you need to pay attention to what you're doing. Oh,
Well,
my blankets.
it looks like a lake. Our feet are drowning in there.
Why is it not that
They're running like a running down there. Well, if I could show you a little more.
Wait, here's your tire.
Yep. Right, Mama? He stole your tire, Wade.
No, we borrowed it. Ugh.
Oh
Yeah, it's on the ground.
Mama.
Mama, you're videoing.
Wow. Mama's soaked. Mama don't like it.
No, it's getting inside the van.
Okay, y'all. It's soaking wet outside. I'm literally right here in the van. They put the race car on. They're getting soaked smoked out there. Don't
It's
shut
just
it
a
off.
light drizzle.
Don't shut that. Still videoing.
Oh, it's just the light drizzle out here. It's barely even rated. Just
The
got
phone's wet.
We're wetting the track so it's not as dusty.
Yeah. And we're closing up tonight because it's a little thunderstorm, so they had to close it up.
Baby, nobody can use that. It's like crooked.
Enjoyed being with y'all, and we had a lot of fun. Dad has no fun.
On
Well-
a serious note,
Yeah, on a serious note.
we are having to strap up the car in the rain, washing it for tomorrow. Yeah, took them a minute to call it, but they eventually called it. We sat in the van, but it got to the point where we had to take our shoes off and come get soaking wet.
We knew
But-
it. We knew that they were going to get soaking wet.
But that's it, guys. That's how our night ended.
So we got rained out. We're on our way home. Racing about gouged his eye out with a slushy straw.
Yep.
And
He said a slushy straw.
we started the day off, like you saw, and sent a girl $10 for her birthday via Cash App.
Cash out.
But now that we've been rained out twice, the gas money's got us for about $100 bill each. We're gonna be bailisting that Cash App now.
Oh, there's somebody walking on the side.
So, Skylar wants us to go, that's Emma's feet. Skylar wants us to go over Outlaw's next race and expectations and how I'm feeling. And what I thought of the track last time we raced there. The track was very smooth and slick. Slick being no bumps, it was just smooth, I guess. Felt good in the heat, and then I didn't think I made the right tire size and tire pressure for the feature, but still had fun, still had a good night. My expectations for the next, the Bang Banger race, they call it.
No rain out.
Would like to make the race, and then let's see. I would like just to finish the race. Obviously, is always the goal, and I feel like a top 3 would be great if we could pull it off. I feel like there's going to be a lot of other fast cars going to be there tomorrow because it's a big money race. So even a top. There could be 15, 20 stingers there. You never know. And I'd love to at least be in the top 5 and be contending. Top 3 would be good. And really hope that Wayne and the mailman can be up in the top 5. If we could have 3 FFR cars in the top 5 of the big money race, that would be good. And I guess the ultimate goal would to get lucky or stay smooth and clean and have a good line and the track conditions be great and the Falcon just want to run really good and somehow pull off a win. But I'm not focused on that right now. I'm focused on finishing the race, making the right tire choice, and trying to be in the top 5. So
Yeah.
that's kind of my expectations. gas prices nowadays and that payout, even if top 5 should make it where we don't lose no money. So that's how I feel.
Sounds like a good plan to me. We didn't even race tonight and we are exhausted.
It ain't but 10 o'clock. We're tired. We'd probably just now be running our heat.
Yeah.
No, we'd probably be close to our feature.
Yeah.
So that's it. Sorry there was no race this time. Sorry I'm not cracking jokes, because the joke is that I tried to make it and I should have known not to do.
Yeah. Thank you, Weather Channel, for only saying 15%.
All 15%. Rumor has it that Hattiesburg Speedway, where we won last week, they only had 6 cars, and I think tonight they had none, correct?
Yeah, no cars tonight.
So that's very sad. We never want to see the sport die out at a track, but as of right now, no race cars at Hattiesburg Speedway for the Stingers. And our last race at Sunny South Speedway, there was no Stingers at Sunny South, which is very sad because the mailman started like 32nd or 37th once on the quarter-mile asphalt in the Stingers. So
Really?
yes, and came back second that race. So it's really unfortunate that some of these tracks aren't having a good turnout or any turnout. And I don't know what to say about Hattiesburg other than it just being Friday night, maybe people foreseeing the weather. But Sunny South was a long and beloved track of ours that unfortunately just wasn't ran. I don't want to say not ran right, but not ran right for that class. Some decisions were made. I feel like we've already went over this in the video, but it just made me rethink about it because of Hattiesburg tonight. So I think we had, I know we're driving, you ain't supposed to do this, but I'll do it anyway. Even tonight we had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Friday the 13th, we had 13 cars. What do you think about that? Grayson was born on August 13th on a Friday. So Southern has always had a decent car count. I mean, even tonight we had 13 cars on a Friday night with the chance of rain coming. So really sad that that's happening to some of these tracks. But like I said before, it's a sad situation with Sunny South. But I do just want to make this clear for anybody, not that there was any confusion, just so you know that we appreciate everybody that's been following us on this channel and continue to share our content. And we're really having fun. This year's been fun so far. We've had a few good wins, and I feel like we've made top 5 a lot. So that's good. Anytime that we can progress is great. But I do want to say that Skylar had won a few championships. He's got a few championships under his belt. In a few different cars, I think Legends, but Stingers as well. So he actually had already moved out of Stingers and went up to mini stocks, then moved out of mini stocks and went up to Legends. He's done some late model racing and stuff of that nature. Pure stock. Might have rode in a truck once, but he didn't race it full time, so we won't count that one. But I think it was his goal, to my knowledge, and that's why I jumped on board to help make these videos and be a part of this channel for you guys, was to just bring awareness to a class that I think people sometimes look down on. Is it a beginner class? Yes, but technically any class could be a beginner's class, because if you've never raced in it, it's a beginner. But definitely, I don't see a lot of people that have never raced dirt jumping right into a sprint car or something, but it does happen. So Skylar actually come back down to this class just to show that this class can be fun, it can be competitive, and it at some points can be rewarding as far as if you can get some of these bigger money races and do good at them. So, but I do appreciate, like I've said 100 times before, everybody watching the channel. And today, Mr. Wayne Tompkins Jr., Little Wayne, he actually won a contest. So thank you for anybody that was maybe on our Facebook page or channel or anything that helped like that. So he won that, so that's good. And that's twice now that I think we've won. The Falcons won one, and now the 4-1. So we're excited about tomorrow. And we also want to wish Skylar and Christy a happy anniversary, right? Anyway, happy anniversary to Skylar.
I love you, 6.
Mr. FFR and his wife. And thank you for everybody.
Happy anniversary.
Me and Tanya are going to work on 10 years this year, right?
Yep, we celebrate our 10-year anniversary in September.
So that's good. So we're looking forward to tomorrow's race, or the next Outlaws race. Really looking forward to maybe the next time we make it up there with the bank. And we are still trying to push hard on the mailman's car. So, oh yeah, and just for everybody's information, I did make it down to Southern Speed today, and I saw some of the equipment and stuff that Mr. Clark McMahon's got going on over there. So I'm very excited about learning about building 350 or you know, Chevy engines, whatever you want to call them, 350 for the pure stock build. So that's really exciting. Got to learn a lot just today. Love the shop. Need to do a really big video of showing the shop around. But so that's very exciting to get ready to look forward to that. So that's about it, though, I think.